Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this key fob. This is an aftermarket fob available from Car Keys Express. I'm going to be using a small flat tip screwdriver about this size, and you're going to need one of these 1632 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description that will take you straight there. So on this side, there's a little slot right here. You want to stick your screwdriver. Stick it in there nice and firm and just give it a good press in. Then you have access to your battery here. And there's a rubber sleeve around this. You're going to want to kind of get the board out of that a little bit so you can press the battery through. Just take your screwdriver, press that out. You can pull it out the rest of the way with your fingers. Take your new battery, goes in positive side facing upward. This battery sits right in here, and then put the top cover on and you're all set. That's all you need to do. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.